will not operate properly if this step is omitted.
What do you have here?
This is our huge 8-foot ceiling fan.
7 foot.
This is our huge 7-foot great room ceiling
We
fan.
started out at 8 foot and it went down to 9 because it'll be hanging right there in the center.
Wayfair.com is where I got it, so let's see what that looks like.
And now
Everything's boxed up.
and now we can't stop getting messages from Wayfair every 10 minutes.
Wayfair is just what I need.
Wayfair, extremely annoying.
So I think, didn't you say you needed a longer?
And I bought one today.
You did?
3 foot. I bought a 3 foot.
Yeah, that one's too small. I mainly wanted to see what the blades look like because I don't want to lose anything. Yeah, everything's packed up nice and bubble wrap.
That looks like the blades right there.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of blades. Ooh. They feel kind of plasticky.
They're wet environment.
They're what?
Wet environment.
Oh, okay. 2, 3, 9? There's 9? 9 blades?
1, 2, wait. 1, 2. Yep, 9. According to the picture.
Alright, well. That's what they look like. They're skinny, a little skinnier than I thought. I thought they'd be a little bigger than that. But by the time you get them all together,
By the time you get 9 blades on it, yeah.
you know, they'll be
Yeah.
more massive looking. So, yeah. This side up. Oh, it comes with a remote too. So, stay tuned to see the installation.
So Tony did have to use the scaffolding to install the ceiling fan here in the barn door because we have those 16-foot walls and ceiling. Now, we didn't want to show a whole lot of just the installation video. I mean, it's pretty much the same as a normal fan. There is one difference, is that this fan runs off of DC power and not AC power. There's actually a converter. So the installation process is just a little bit different with that, but all of the instructions are included. And one of the great things about running off of the DC power is that it makes it extremely quiet. So here is a little bit of video that you can see. This is in our guest bedroom downstairs. We were able to find the exact fan. It's a Fanimation fan, a smaller version, a smaller room version at Lowe's. So we got the large 7-foot fan off of Wayfair that was delivered. And then we found the smaller versions that we put in both of the bedrooms. So the loft area and then the guest bedroom downstairs, as you can see here. And look how fast it's going. But it is so quiet. So I'll play a clip of it running. And it also comes with this remote. So if you want to use the light kit, you can. Otherwise, it comes with just a black cover that you can put on. And it looked nice too. But we chose to go ahead and add the light kit on just for additional lighting. Overall, we love the fan. We think it looks awesome. It's a little bit of a more modern Barndominium fan look. And it goes well with the decor that we have. So we do like it, and we hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. This clip here is upstairs in the loft. So this is the fan that we installed in the loft area. And we also have the remote on the wall upstairs as well. All right, well, here's the video of it running, the noise clip, which you'll hear very little because it's so quiet if you hear it at all.
These fans are extremely quiet. You can barely hear them. They're very, very quiet. And they put out a lot of air.